This stochastic RSI strategy could make you filthy rich. Welcome back to Trades by Mo, and in this video I'm going to show you a stochastic RSI trading strategy on the 5-minute chart on Bitcoin that could make you insane profits very quickly. Now we all know what the stochastic RSI is. If you don't, I'll show you how to add it to your chart. You go to indicators up here, you'll type in stochastic RSI and it's this one here. There is a certain setting I've changed that I'm going to show you soon that changed the win rate dramatically, and this is just with using this single indicator. So imagine if you had other powerful indicators to add to it, the win rate would be even higher. To backtest this strategy, I'm going to be using TraderEdge with an initial account balance of $5,000, as that is the cheapest MyForexFunds account, and I'll show the results for the backtest at the end of the video. So this method is super simple, and it is a scalping method on the 5-minute time frame. You can do this on Forex, stocks and crypto. I've decided to do it on Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do now. You can see you have this top white line and this bottom white line. When the yellow and orange line are above this 80 level, price is overbought, and when it's below this 20 level, price is oversold. This means there is a high chance of being a reversal. But on the 5-minute time frame, the stochastic RSI indicator isn't super reliable. You have to remember that higher time frame moves are king. I'm going to show you a TradingView hack for the stochastic RSI. So for the settings, I've changed the main color to yellow and thickness 2, and the secondary color to orange thickness 1. Now I've set the background to a faint grey, so we know not to trade price when it is inside this zone here. We stay on the 5-minute chart, we trade on the 5-minute chart, but on time frame, if we change the stochastic RSI to the 15-minute, look how much cleaner that is already. Now you might be wondering, why don't we just trade on the 15-minute chart? Well, I'm going to tell you why. If we stay on the 5-minute chart, then that means we can get early entries, so we can gain even more profit. So to enter a buy, we want to wait until price is below this white line here, and we want to wait for a cross back into the range here. We have to make sure that the candle closes and opens a new candle while this line is inside the band. When it does, we enter a long position. So we'd enter our trade on the end of this candle, so the open of this one. Put our stop loss to the recent swing low, and we target 1.5 times the risk, and that trade would hit take profit. So for a sell, we wait until price is in the overbought area and above this white line, and then when it crosses back below this line and closes, then we enter a sell. Set our stop loss to the recent swing high, target 1.5 times the risk. So I'm now going to backtest this strategy using the backtester on TraderEdge. Please hit that subscribe button if you've enjoyed this strategy so far. Now let's see the results. So I've now finished backtesting with TraderEdge, and these are the results. Overall, we had a 58.93% win rate. We had a total of 58 trades, 33 wins and 23 losses. Now I did use a 1.5% risk to reward ratio, so I was going for 1.5% profit and risking 1% per trade. I do believe you could target 2% profit to risk 1%. And maybe even come out with better results. So we started with $5,000, and after 56 trades we ended with $6,485. I think that is very impressive. We had a lovely 7 consecutive wins in a row that was here, and 3 consecutive losses. Definitely do backtest, but I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe button, I really do appreciate it. If you have any recommendations for indicators or strategies, leave them in the comments below. Always wait for the candle close, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.